climb the tower. That's what I want.
What?
Here, Museum of Men.
We are coming up to the 8th floor balcony of the tower today. Floors 9 and 10 are not open to the public. I'd like you all to know that from the get-go, and you'll see why when we get up there. Those spiral stairs are pretty precarious looking, but you still get an excellent view from that 8th floor balcony. Alright, so I'd like to stop on the 2nd floor of the museum for a couple different reasons. One is that if you haven't already had the chance to explore the rest of the museum, now you have a nice panoramic view of most of the other exhibits we have to offer. The second reason, which I saw many of you looking up already, is that most people are so busy looking at the exhibits that they miss the giant dome that we have in the center of our building. Now this dome is pretty big, it's a lot taller than you think it is. Once we're up on that 8th floor balcony of the tower, we're going to be eye level with the tiny windows at the very top of that dome. So, from 100 years ago to today, if you look out the window, it's a comparable view. You can see many of the same buildings. So, I'd like to tell you.
Here's a view from the window. Let's compare with what's the view like when they were 80 years ago.
This building over here no longer exists.
This is much better than the Tower of London. Easier to walk. Here's what it looked like on 3rd floor by the window. And here's what it looks like 100 years ago back then. Big change, no highway, no high rise. This is the 6th floor. When you go through the window, become more of a parking lot and overseeing the courtyard here. Here's we going to the 7th floor.
Alright. So, we are going to scale this spiral staircase to get up to the 8th floor
Wow.
balcony, where you'll get your spectacular promise view.
So I'm going up to the spiral stairwell. Very narrow. You can see it's supposed to promise a great view of the San Diego downtown area. Wow, that's awesome. Man, this is right here. Now on the 8th floor, you can see the top of the cathedral here. It's awesome. You can see whole San Diego. You can see the top of the dome here. Awesome. Wow. Let's make it all worthwhile. You can see another view here of the park from the far side. And you can see it way up there. So the structure of the tower can go 2 more floors up. But these stairs are not repaired, so you can't go up there. You can see the park from here point on. courtyard below. Another view of the courtyard from the top. Fantastic view here. The park is huge. Talk about the park is the largest park in the US, bigger than the Central Park. Oh, you can hear the chime again. The view is beautiful. And I recommend everybody to go and check it out. All right, thank you. Thanks much.